Okay, we're going to talk about folding knives, cheap knives compared to a little more expensive knives. Alrighty. So first off, this I've had these for years, so I don't know quite how expensive they are. Um, but out of the cheap knives, these are the ones that I like that I've also have up at the cabin, just everyday carry. And those ones I have replicas up at the cabin because those are what stay sharp. Okay, cheap knives. This is a CRKT. This has stayed nice and sharp. Um, this one has stayed nice and sharp. I do have to tighten this every once in a while. The blade does get loose, so I do have to tighten that up every once in a while. But it's a good everyday carry. It's nice and slim, fits in the pocket nice. I like that it's. I don't care for the open ones. I like them closed right here. I think that makes them more sturdy. And but I like this for everyday carry, just opening up packages, things like that. Again, it's nice and slim, fits in the pocket real good. This one was a El Cheapo knife, and this stays sharp pretty well. Um, I think it's a softer metal. I don't know what that means. Uh, oh, Kershaw. And that stays pretty sharp. Um, and this one stays pretty sharp. It flicks open. It has a spring assisted opening. I like the shape of the blade. That works well for me. Um, I don't know if you can see that. And I don't know if it says anything on this side. I don't think so. But I do have to sharpen this every once in a while. Come on, focus. Doesn't really want to focus. Okay. Uh, and these are the more expensive folding knives. They're a little bit heavier, so I don't really carry them in my pocket. But I like to have them up around at the cabin. And this is a Spyderco. I'm not real crazy about Spydercos. I don't know what this doesn't work for me. I don't know. Um, stays really sharp though. Really sharp knife, very sharp knife. This one I also like. This one is a very sharp knife, stays sharp. This is spring assisted, and the Spyderco is spring assisted. CRKT, I like this one. I like the shape of the blade. That works for me ergonomically. Is that the word? It's a very ergonomic. Oh, I forgot. Which one is it? This one or this one? This one. This one has a very right angled edge to it, so you don't need to have it open to use your ferrocerium rod. You can scrape it with the top of the knife, so that's a plus. Back to this one. I like the shape of the blade. That works for me. It has the finger grips here. Those are really nice. It's a really heavy knife. I like this. It's heavier, dutier than the other ones. It has a rounded edge. The clip is too short, though. So those are the folding knives that I use, that I like. And I like them so much that I've bought extras and I keep it up at the cabin.